What is up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well today. As you guys can tell by today's video title, today we're going to be trying out a bunch of Pretty Little Thing very extra dresses. These dresses would be perfect for a bunch of special occasions like birthdays or even Valentine's Day, which is coming up very soon. There's a bunch of different styles that I picked up for this video, so hopefully there should be something for everyone. Anyways, if you guys are new here and you guys haven't seen my face before, hi, I'm Roxy. Welcome to my channel. If you guys want to stick around, be sure to subscribe down below. But if you guys want to see me try out a bunch of really pretty dresses from Pretty Little Thing, then without further ado, let's get into it. All right, here is my bag of goodies. Let's crack this open together. All right, guys, so the first dress we're going to be trying out is this one right here. As you can see, it is pretty formal looking, which I really like. It looks very put together with a little bit of a spice with those cutouts. This dress was £30. I have it right here, so let's take a peek at what it looks like in real life. Here it is. Oh wow, it's very cute. First up, it's got shoulder pads in the shoulders, which is going to make it look very structured and really like nice and boxy, which is what I like. The actual fabric that this is made of is like your typical blazer kind of fabric, but this one feels really nice. And then down below across the waist is those two little cutouts, and it has like pockets, but are they real? No, they're not. They're fake pockets. That's a bit of a shame. I would have loved this to have real pockets. I think that would have been so nice, but they're a bit more decorative. So yeah, there's not really much else to this dress. In case you guys are wondering, every single dress in this video is in size 6. So I guess let's try this first one on and see how it fits. All right, guys, so here is the first dress and what it looks like on. Now, I have to say, when I held this up, I really thought I was gonna love this, but now that I have it on, I just feel like the structure of it and like the length of it is a little bit off. I just feel like it looks, I don't know, just strange on me. First of all, I wish there was a button right here because this is just a little bit too like low scooped for me. I then kind of wish that these cutouts were like up here. Do you know what I mean? I feel like that would have been way more flattering, but perhaps this dress is sitting kind of weird on me because I have quite a short torso. So everything is just kind of a little bit too low on my body is what I feel about this dress. With that being said though, I mean, maybe this would work on somebody else's body, but for me, I just feel like it just doesn't look quite right. But apart from that, I really like the length of the sleeves. I really like the shoulder padding and like the neckline. It's just a few tweaks here and there that I'd probably do to this dress if I was to keep it, but yeah, let me know what you guys think. As it stands with no tweaks to it, I think I'd probably have to give this like a 4 out of 10, sadly. Moving on to the next dress, we're now going to be trying out this fuchsia pink kind of dress, and honestly, the second I saw this, I fell in love. This one was super affordable. It was only £16.50, and here it is. I absolutely loved that like flower design on it. I think it makes it look so much more expensive. Okay, here is the dress. It's very short, but it's giving like princess vibes. I don't know about you guys, but like the color of it and the little flower makes me think of Aurora from Sleeping Beauty. I feel like this is a typical modern day Disney princess kind of dress. It's super ruched on the back, which I feel like is going to be super flattering on the butt. Obviously it's strapless, but it does have this like silicone rubber band all across the top, so it shouldn't ride down. And then it does also have a zipper in the back so you can easily get into it. I have a feeling I'm really gonna like this one, so let's pop it on and see how it fits. Okay guys, this dress is literally adorable. First of all, the color is perfect. It's giving such Barbie vibes. It's super cinched in the bust, the waist, and the hips all equally. I really love the way this looks on my body. It also feels like I have room, and because this is all ruched, I feel like I wouldn't need to worry about like getting bloated after dinner, which by the way, I often do. I really don't know what sets me off to bloat. Every single day, I look like I could be like 3 months pregnant. But anyways, what I'm saying is that with this dress, I feel like it would cover it up pretty nicely. Apart from that, it's very fun. It looks a lot more expensive than it was, and I absolutely love this little cutout that it has right here. I think this dress would be perfect for going out clubbing or even like a birthday dress. I absolutely love it. I'm gonna give this a 10 out of 10. All right, now moving on to this next one. This one is a little bit risque in my opinion, so I feel like this would be great for maybe like Valentine's Day or going out out clubbing maybe. As you can see, it's a very sexy dress with all like the lace up and the cutouts. This one was only £25 and it's called the Black Premium Satin Lace Up Underwire Bodycon Dress. I don't often wear things like this, so I feel like this would just be way out of my comfort zone to actually wear outside. But oh my gosh, the quality is so nice. First of all, I'm very impressed with the fabric. Like the quality is really nice. It's super thick. I can see that the straps are adjustable, so that's a big tick for me. The bust then looks like this. It's got these little like cups, so you don't actually have to wear a bra with this even. It's got underwire underneath for the actual cups, and then the cutouts are pretty full on. On the bag, it's pretty simple. There's not really much to it. The whole party is definitely in the front. This particular dress, I actually couldn't get in a size 6, so I got this in a size 8, which is the next best thing. So I'm hoping this is gonna be as snatched as I kind of envisioned it to be. All right, guys, so here is the next dress and what it looks like on. As I said, it is pretty risky, but it's actually not too revealing in my opinion, although it very much looks like it. I do feel like this dress would have been slightly better if it just had a little bit more coverage around the bust, but these cutout areas, I actually don't think they're too bad because all it's really showing is just like my stomach, which I'm not too concerned about. The side cutouts in particular do kind of come down quite low, so you would see whatever underwear you're wearing, so that's why I kind of opted for neutral underwear so it wouldn't show too much. But all in all, the dress is very nice. It's very flattering. It's super cinched in, and actually I think if I got this in a size 6, it would have probably been even better fitted. Although in a size 8, it still works fine. I just feel like it could have been a little bit more like snatched because I do have an awful lot of fabric just like kind of hanging in the back here. So yeah, this is what it looks like from the front. I did have to adjust the straps, and then this is what it looks like from the back, so it's pretty basic. I think on a scale of 1 to 10, I'm probably gonna give this dress maybe like a 7. Okay, this next dress was £21, and honestly I don't know how because it's like a full-on maxi dress. It looks so stunning. I have it right here and I can already tell I'm gonna love this. The fabric looks so nice and just so magical. I feel like this dress would have been perfect for like a New Year's Eve party. Oh my gosh, it's stunning. It's gonna be kind of hard to show because it's like strangely attached together, but this is the top half. It's got a really beautiful like flower detail right there. As you can see, the fabric is super glittery. I'm obsessed with it. It's then got a one sleeve situation, so it's a little bit asymmetrical. Going down from the top half, it then has this massive stomach cutout, which I'm sure you can imagine it. It's literally only joined by this tiny piece of fabric. It then has a little element of ruching on the left, and then it goes all the way down to the ground. It does also have a little bit of a slit in the back of the skirt. I have a feeling I'm gonna love this dress so much, so let's get it on my body. Okay, wow. Do I even need to say anything about this dress, you guys? This is stunning. This is like my idea of the perfect festive dress. I am so gutted I didn't have this dress for New Year's Eve because I feel like this would have been it. How freaking beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at the cutout. It's everything. It's giving glamour. Look at the detail of this little flower and like the little drapey bits. It just looks so expensive. This dress also goes all the way down to the floor, and then it's got a slit in the back. Can you guys see that? This looks like something designer, something that you would see on like the red carpet with like a celebrity rocking it. I'm genuinely in love with everything about this dress. This is getting a 10 out of 10, you guys. Okay, this next dress is literally perfect for Valentine's Day. I'm telling you guys. It's the right amount of sexy without being like too much and too revealing, if you know what I mean. I also love that cherry red color that it's in. I mean, I don't wear red all that often. I don't know if it really suits me, but I do like to make an exception and sometimes wear it on like Christmas or Valentine's Day. I feel like then I can kind of pull it off. This dress is actually the most expensive of this whole video. It was £49, but I feel like it's for good reason because the fabric quality and like the thickness of it is so good. Anyway, this is it. It's like an off the shoulder little moment. It actually has the silicone sort of lining on the top, so you don't have to worry about it riding down. I absolutely love that Bardo effect. It then comes to quite like a cinch cinched in waist, and then it once again becomes quite like fanned out and ruched. I absolutely love the ruching. I feel like it's just gonna be so flattering on. It's literally just perfect in every single way. It's also got a zipper in the side. So yeah, let's go pop this on my body and see what it looks like. All right guys, so here is the red dress in all its glory. Now, as you guys can see, you can wear it like this, where one side is on the shoulder and one is off, or you can wear it both off the shoulders like this, and I think it looks really nice either way. I have to say, this dress in a size 6 was super hard to zip up by myself because the zipper is right here, and it was just really awkward to like zip it up, but I managed to do it in the end, and yeah, it's pretty tight, but in like a good way. I actually really like it. It's kind of restricting my breathing just a little bit, so if you don't really like that, I would size up. Quality wise, like I said, this dress is so stunning. It's very, very thick in fabric, so you could literally wear like not even seamless underwear under this and it just wouldn't show at all. I absolutely love the ruching both on the front as well as the back. I just feel like it looks so stunning and really flattering. I feel like the amount of volume to this dress just makes it look so expensive, and I know it was one of the most expensive dresses in this video, but I feel like it actually looks more expensive than £50. It just feels and looks very premium. I absolutely love the way this feels on my body, so I'm gonna give this probably a 10 out of 10. Now, the next dress we're gonna be trying out is another mini slash party kind of dress. It's this one here. This one was again quite affordable. It was only £17, and I just love the look of it. It's like the perfect little black dress. It's super versatile, and I feel like it could be reworn for so many different occasions. This is it. It's made of like this really, really nice soft velour kind of fabric. I absolutely love that little knot in the center tying the bandeau together. I really, really love the cutout right here as well. I think that's always super flattering. It's then pretty ruched. It's got another little like tie effect on the side, making it kind of look like a sarong. I think the fabric of this dress is going to be super flattering on so many different body types. It's very like smoothing. The actual knot of the skirt does kind of like drape quite low down, which I think is the feature of this dress. So again, let's slip into this one and see what it looks like. All right, so here's the little black dress. Like I said, I just feel like you cannot go wrong with a dress like this. Not only is it super affordable, it's really flattering, but somehow it still has that element of drama, and it just looks really glamorous but effortless at the same time. I absolutely love the like velvet sort of fabric, and this little tie effect is so cute. I kind of have it more in the middle, but you could have it off to the side. You can kind of choose where it sits. As for the bandeau part of the dress, it feels very well fitted. It's covering up my chest, which is great. And I'm not wearing a bra underneath. I'm just wearing some sticky cups, and I feel pretty supported in this. So yeah, this is another winner. This is what it looks like from the back as well. Absolutely love this. I feel like it's very extra, but still a wearable dress. So I'm giving this one a 10 out of 10. All right, and now the very last dress we're gonna be trying out is a little bit of a wild card. I just saw this on the website and I was kind of intrigued because the fabric looked really interesting, and is definitely not a color that I would normally choose for myself. It's this like metallic kind of blue. I just really liked the look of the fabric. It almost looked wet. This one was again super affordable. It was only £17.50, and oh my gosh, it is so extra. Look at this. Almost looks like the plastic kind of dresses that you get, but no, this is actually a really nice fabric to the touch. So this is what the top looks like. As you can see, it's got a little bit of like a slit going from one shoulder to the other. I don't think this is going to be too revealing though, so I'm pretty happy with that. It's then once again joined at the hip by this tiny little flap of fabric, and then it's got a massive cutout across the tummy. It's actually a pretty simple dress. I feel like I'm gonna get on with this one. All right, and now the last dress. Honestly, as I put this on, I instantly thought, what was I thinking? You know, sometimes you try and go out of your comfort zone just to kind of test yourself and think, maybe I'll like it, but somehow it completely backfires and it just proves to you that you should never ever go out of your comfort zone. This is one of those times. I feel like I have just made such a big mistake buying this. When I looked at it on the model, I actually believed that maybe this would look good on me, but now that I have it on, it just makes me look like a clown. I feel like I'm the Wish version of like a superhero character wearing this. Do you know what I'm saying? It kind of just looks like a bad Halloween costume. I just do not vibe with this dress at all. I had hoped that maybe I could pull off this kind of fabric. And I mean, I still stand by what I said. I do think it's really cool, but I just feel like it looks terrible on me. Let me know what you guys think, but I mean, the shape of the dress is nice. I don't love the flared sleeves. It's just the fabric, I think, that's really throwing me off about this one. But either way, this is what it looks like from the front and from the back. Shape-wise, it's well fitted. I don't mind the cut of the dress at all. It's just the fabric. I think I'm gonna have to give this probably like a 4 out of 10. All right, guys, so those were all of the very extra dresses we're gonna be trying out today from Pretty Little Thing. Let me know in the comments, as always, which one of these dresses was your favorite. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that huge thumbs up down below and leave a comment below so that I know that you guys enjoyed it and I can film more like this. And if you haven't subscribed already, make sure you do. I would love to have you here. But anyways, that is all from me. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching this video, and hopefully I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! Mwah.